In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter view in a protected Google Sheets workbook. Managing large sets of data can be challenging, especially when you're trying to sort or analyze specific information without disrupting the original dataset. Filter views in Google Sheets offer a convenient way to do just that, allowing you to create a customizable view of your data without altering the underlying spreadsheet. And the best part? You can do it even in protected sheets. So, let's get started. First, we need to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the spreadsheet you wish to work on. Once the workbook is open, you're ready to begin setting up your filter view. Make sure your sheet is protected before moving forward. This ensures that the original data remains intact for everyone using the document. Now, once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen and find the menu bar. Click on Data. This is where you'll find various options for managing your sheet's data. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these options as they offer powerful tools for handling large sets of information effectively. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Create a Filter View. This feature allows you to design a new view where you can apply filters without modifying the overall spreadsheet. When you create a filter view, it becomes a private view that only you can see unless you share its link with others. This means you can manipulate data to your liking without impacting how others might be viewing the same dataset. Once you've selected Create a Filter View, you'll notice the appearance of your spreadsheet may change slightly with new options available to you. The next step is to choose the column heading that you want to apply the filter to. Click on the small inverted triangle that appears in the top corner of the column header. This will open a menu where you can define your filter criteria. You can filter by conditions, such as text that contains a specific word, or by values, to show only certain items in that column. After you've set your filter criteria, simply click OK. Your specified filter view is now ready and will display data according to the parameters you've set. You can create multiple filter views if needed, which can be particularly useful if different team members need to view datasets in different ways. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up and use filter views in a protected Google Sheets workbook. This feature is incredibly useful for managing and analyzing data, keeping your original data safe and intact while allowing you to explore and focus on the specific information you need. Thanks for watching, and happy data filtering.